Joe C here, back again, starting up Christian's vlog, you know.
Yo, we got Leo, we got Matt, and we got Jason. We're going to a car show.
Right now we're trying to find like a different road, and he just ditched us, but it's alright.
Oh my.
Leo, say what's good to the vlog, bro. Oh no.
No, we were moving, bro.
Bro, there was a fucking cop. I slammed everyone like this.
Where? Where's the cop? We just got here. It's at a mansion,
bro. What? Oh my god.
Oh, we're going in the grass?
Copy. Oh shit. Supra. Leo.
Park next to me. Let's get up.
Yo, there's an F1 car here. Where? Oh my god.
Yo, this is sick, bro. Look at this. Yo, back up. This is for the thumbnail, bro.
Okay.
Guys, I German models on the block. Come on.
Yo, you know North's cousin has this car?
Yeah?
Yeah. Oh, it's a GT3 RS. Heard you. Yo, Matt. It's your ancestor.
Oh, I should park next to this.
Your ancestor.
I don't like it too close to this.
Yeah, you crashed. If you hit that, yo, you don't even want to know. Yo. Damn. Bro, it's just casually just sitting on the grass. Look at those guys. Oh, it's got Pirellis on. Yeah. How wide are they? 315s? Oh, the GT500's wider. 315s?
No, the GT5 is 315.
Oh, really? Oh, okay. So you have the same ones as McLaren. Yo, Noor, where you at?
That's what I'm getting. Look at it.
Bro, look at the race car. Look at the cockpit, bro.
Jason Cocos.
Yo, how much G-forces does this thing give?
Depends. I mean, IndyCar on turns you get like what 3.5 Gs. Just on turns, bro. F1 you get 5 on a hard left.
Also, there's no power steering, right?
Braking is harder though. Braking is 5. It goes 5.
Alright, we out. Yo. No, I mean, if you got, it was either this or like other alternatives in the class.
Oh, definitely, I would get E30. Fuck that.
E30?
M3?
For 300K?
You could get fucking 2JZ to beat the fuck out of this car.
These are Cup 2 Rs.
Where?
On this car.
What does that mean, Cup 2 Rs?
You're dumb. This goes hard, bro.
He took it on the way here.
Oh, look at it. I love this body style of the Porsche. It's fire. Big body bang. Oh, now everyone. Everyone.
I bet you're pushing more than all of us.
Jeez.
Mama huevo.
Mama huevo.
Yeah, GTR, that's fine. Oh my god, bro.
GTS taillights.
Wow, man, is this an M3 for you?
Yes, dude. That looks so cool.
Oh, there's an orange bubble.
Huh?
Bro, imagine.
Ooh, this is tough. Sheesh, she got teeth. Gang. That's fire.
Yo,
It's simple but
this is
clean.
probably gonna be me in the year.
What?
Let me see. Let me see that.
All the old heads in the big.
Yo, there's my car.
Yo, look what the plate says.
Lady driving. That's fire.
The wheels are fire.
Yeah, I don't like this.
Hey, look at the plate.
I know, bro. I said, oh my god, like it's a GTS. I love the fucking plate.
There's 2 arrests
Yeah,
left.
how's your like Coke? Bro, you're gonna gain good knowledge of the business world.
Yeah, yes, fucking head's already fried from the bleach. That shit's sick.
Dude, this is sick.
Bro, see, just go hard with white wheels.
Yeah. Oh, look at the interior.
What is this? Yo. Oh, this is Datsun.
Yeah, that's it, bro.
Yo, George said he's with 2 McLarens, an X3M Hellcat, and an E90 M3. Look first. Did he drive his M3?
I think so. He parked over
Where's
there.
that guy?
Oh, I think I saw it. McLaren. Yep. No, I don't think that's RSQ8.
George is down the block.
Alright, let me take the camera, bro. You got the best views. What's up, guys? We're back. Your favorite vlogger. Oh, I forgot my water, bro. Look at that, bro. EcoBoost. Not a little EcoBoost.
Curve GT.
Yo, there's a fucking mountain.
He's driving a freaking R6.
You wanna move now?
Huh? What, Matt?
Oh, watch it.
Yeah, he's recording. So one more. George, bro, come here, bro.
Be in a special moment. So for 300 subscribers, I purchased myself a Toyota Supra.
Oh shit!
That ain't for 100. So as you can see, I have the front lip that adds 80% downforce. And if you come over here, I have a suction cup, but my radar's not here. I don't know why, but I don't know. Food.
Stupid AMG.
We're gonna come in the back real quick. I blown a turbo, so yeah, I blew a turbo. So as you can see, we got the wide body kit on. I am sponsored by SiriusXM. Listen anywhere, car app or online. Now, I got my water bottles and drinks just in case when I'm thirsty, when I gap 340s. When I gap 340s.
Insert the clip.
I don't have the clip saved. Bro. Let me interview you, bro. Alright, so this is my race car driver that drives the car.
This kid.
Oh, no. He's saying.
Yo, Christian, wanna do some satisfying thing? Let's do satisfying.
Oh, no. ASMR.
ASMR, super.
ASMR.
It's already peeling.
Oh, no. Yo, he has it on the screen. Look at how hideous it looks. Look.
Nah, it's fine, bro. Once it falls off by itself.
Oh my god. You got the Nürburgring.
Water.
Oh my.
Anyway, so this stock Supra B 3 Series stage 2.
This pure sports car beat a family sedan.
Wait,
That also beat him the next day.
So you made the loss.
Yeah, and then the next day I beat him.
There's a lot of mills here.
So
Let's go.
Should we go watch them leave? We'll just park.
He also had RX-7. Sheesh. There we go. Oh, yo, where's Matt at?
This is the only car oh, he's gonna make a left.
Over there at the end.
Oh, let's go, baby. M.
Is that Stormtrooper?
No.
It's a manual? Oh, yeah. No, not the 350s.
Yeah, the 350s are all
I thought only the R was.
No, they only come.
Look at the guy on the road. That's Jason.
Yo, that's me, bro.
Yo, hold traffic. Oh, shit. Yo, Jason, act them on. Yeah, G-Wagon, send it. She's gonna tip over, bro. Let's hear it. Oh, no.
Yeah, the one behind the shitty one.
Joe, you're in the way, you stupid. Stupid, man. Stuck, bro.
Look at Doc Hudson. You know this motherfucker.
Let's
swing.
Oh my God, hung.
Oh, that's Nissan's for you. Stupid fucking car.
Yeah, so fried.
Fried, bro.
You see? He has a family. Look.
He does, that's all.
It sounded like ear pops.
Oh, that's the girl that had the big wing on the RS5.
Anna. Tell your guy to pack it up.
What the?
Did you see his shifter? It was like.
What the fuck?
It's an M4 CS.
What the? What the? She's like, honey, don't do it. Yeah, you smell it? That's nice. All pre-LCI. Look at Aston Martin. Look at Aston Martin. Look at Aston Martin. Right there. Oh my god. Let's go!
Jason, what's on Instagram?
Wait, I don't get the joke.